Today on PowerNation Daily, Valerie Thompson survives a crazy crash at over 300 miles per hour. Who needs a garage when you can park your car inside your apartment? Drag radial cars break 3 records in one night. A teenager smashes into the exam center during a driver's test of all places. And just how fast could your Roadster go on Mars? It all happens right here, right now on PowerNation Daily. What's up, everybody? I'm Gannon Pritchard. Welcome to PowerNation Daily. Welcome to the show. Let's get to talking because we got some good news. These stories are actually pretty good, so here we go. Valerie Thompson is known as the fastest woman on a motorcycle. She's been here at PowerNation. We know her. She's a great girl, and she luckily walked away from a horrific crash while attempting a motorcycle land speed record at 343 miles per hour in Australia earlier this month. Holy cow, that's really that's fast on a motorcycle. Luckily, the design and the engineering of the 7 Streamliner proved its worth, and she only suffered some minor injuries. We wish her well in her recovery, and we also want you to get back on your motorcycle and go out there and get that record. Good luck, Valerie. For most people, you can come home and park your car in your garage or on the street or wherever you can fit it. But for the ultra wealthy of Miami, you can actually have your car come to you in your apartment. The new Porsche design tower has introduced the concept of sky garages. They're high-rise parking spaces either next to or below an apartment, and cars are transported to them by dedicated car elevators. Boy, that sounds expensive. CNN reports the sky garages allow people to get in and out of their apartments without having to valet or park in a garage, because we all know how tough valet can be. The tower was unveiled in January, and it's a collaboration between Porsche and a developer. Have you ever felt like you've needed a car elevator in your apartment? I'd take one, but I mean, it's kind of crazy. What do you think about it? This weekend, there was a record-breaking madness at a Sweet 16 event. Free Life Films posted a video of 3 radial cars getting into 3 seconds. It was actually 360s, which broke 3 separate records in one night. It's a lot of record breaking going on. Dwayne Mills became the first ever radial tire guy to break into 360 land with a time of 3.696 at 212 miles per hour. But soon after that, Steve Jackson beat his time with a 3.68 at 202. And when they thought it was all finished, Mark Mikey followed it up with a 3.67 at 221 miles per hour, beating everybody. Mark, I hope I said your name right. If I didn't, leave a comment. Let me know how to say it. Nonetheless, these guys all prove that radial cars are getting the job done. I mean, that's getting it done. That's fast. This is my favorite story. You know, they say practice makes perfect. Well, this Minnesota girl could probably use a little more practice. She was on her road test portion of her driver's exam, and she accidentally, get this, drove through the front of the exam center and sent her instructor to the hospital. The Drive reports the girl accidentally put the car in drive instead of reverse, and well, she sent her Chevy Equinox smashing through the glass window. Her instructor actually had to be taken to the hospital with non-life-threatening injuries, thank goodness. But all I gotta say is, that's a story she's never gonna forget, and neither are we. Poor girl. With all the talk about sending humans to Mars, it was only a matter of time before gearheads asked a question. What's your 0 to 60 time gonna be on Mars? And since Elon Musk already sent his Roadster into space, Engineering Explained decided to use a simple equation to figure it out. I'm not sure if it's simple, but he figured it out. There's actually an equation. It calculates 0 to 60 times, and you can figure out what your Mars time is going to be. After plugging away the numbers, the estimated time is 5 seconds flat for the Roadster on Mars due to reduced friction and Mars' lower gravity. But obviously, nobody really knows. I'm just telling you what somebody else told me. Thanks for watching PowerNation Daily, everybody. I'm Gannon Pritchard. Let us know what you want to see. Be sure to stop on over to PowerNationTV.com, get connected, check out the how-to, work on your own car because it's cooler, and I'll see you guys down the road.